So we've got one bent prop. Whoa, that is really, actually. Yeah, that prop has had it. Quick prop change. Let's do this. Doing a quick prop change because this, I don't know if you can see, it's slightly bent, but that was actually, yeah, it's air shape, making some funny noises. So this tool is amazing as well. Get one of these, take it back up in the air. That's all very bad. Let's try that. My GoPro holder has snapped a little bit. Let's see how much we get of this. Well, that came from there. Try that with my DJI, yeah? It is in pieces. No, it's not. I've crashed it quite a lot today. I don't know what's wrong with it, I just can't seem to fly it, but just giving it a quick once over. This thing is so durable, I can't. Oh, I've lost it. Oh, damn it. Hang on, I've lost some. Right, back in a sec. Okay, so yeah, I've lost the little rubber bits that go into. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. So those planes over there. Oh, that's cool. I don't know what that's about, but that looks cool. But yeah, I've lost the two rubber things to stop dirt getting into the USB-C ports, which is great. Right, I'm determined to split S on that tree. I did it last time. I'm not moving until I've done it again. I've lost the other one now. The other one's okay. There's no bone there. Right, here we go. We'll try the ready to fly to return to home. Never tried it. Quite nervous. I think you got to take it over 100 meters, flip the switch, and it should come back to you. So we're going to test it now. Okay, so I've really not had a good day flying. I've crashed it 2-3 times at least, lost parts, broke a prop, broke the GoPro. I'll show you. This is what it was clean, and this is what it looks like now. Just give you a quick show. Oh, let me just do this properly. The antenna isn't straight no more. You can see all the grass that's been cut. That's the prop that I changed today. That's the one that took the nasty hit. The prop was actually bent. The GoPro case has just broken. And the GoPro is literally, I mean, it's an old GoPro, but it's dirty now. This prop, I may have crashed into the wall yesterday and then into my laptop, which destroyed the prop. The laptop was okay. But yeah, it's absolutely filthy. And what I've lost is, oh, where is it? That little bung there, that's all. I'll get a new one. But this drone is absolutely, it's great. Honestly, I mean, you can see from how I've crashed it, it wasn't like crashes. I mean, I got stuck in the actual tree. This is a bit windy, so I'm a bit bummed there, if I'm honest, because I didn't get to the S again. I think I need a lot more practice. It's just getting out. So I've had 2 weeks off where I haven't flown at all. So I need to pull my finger out. But yeah, I enjoyed this. I don't even know what to call it. Bad day. So one more thing that I've actually found out with this drone, and maybe I'll put the footage in, I don't know. But when I was going through the woods, or well, the little trees and stuff, I was actually losing a lot of reception. Like it wasn't, see, I was really surprised. I thought I'd lose controller reception before I'd lost video connection, but I was actually losing video connection. So I'm thinking about trying different antennas, because I've heard the DJI ones are not very good, but they work really well with the DJI drone. So I don't know, I'm gonna have a look at getting the crystal. I think it's called the iFlight crystal. I'm gonna try them antennas. I've got to get a new antenna for it because I've slightly bent that one, as maybe as just a spare, I don't know. But I want to try it because I'll get to around 400 or 500 meters and I start to lose video signal, and it's not very confident inspiring, if I'm honest, which is why sometimes I'll go really slow through some of the trees. Like, hang on, I'll show you. Like round here, I'd try it, but it'd be so fuzzy in my goggles that I don't know. Hopefully if I get the new antennas, I will see a difference, but we'll see. I mean, it's all a learning curve. Also, that return to home feature was really good, and I'm really happy that it's on. 1 out of the 3 times it did fully work. The first time it actually came straight back to me, near enough. It usually hovers in the air for you to take control. The other 2, it kind of went a different way. But it was heading in the kind of right direction. But I'm glad I've got it, just in case. I think it's an extra £30 for having to have the GPS put on it. I think it's worth it, but a lot of people won't. Maybe I've flown too far out, I don't know. But definitely one concern is the video link. I've got to get that sorted, because I like flying through the woods and stuff. But yeah, that's probably my next video. I don't know. I still need to make a video about the DJI versus the Evoke. There is a difference. There is quite a big difference, to be fair, but both great drones. But yeah, I will catch you in the next one now. See you later.